Good morning, everybody. I promised you a video on the Unit 7 mini assignment, and this is what you have here. This is the Excel spreadsheet, and as you can see, it's asking you for four things. The first thing is your balance sheet needs to balance. So that's this portion of the spreadsheet. So all you're doing is, don't make this harder than it needs to be. You're taking the assets and moving it where it needs to go. You're taking the liabilities and moving it where it needs to go. You're taking the stockholders' equity and putting it where it needs to go. And right here, you can see it's going to automatically calculate for you. The formulas are already in there. Don't touch those cells because the formulas are there and it will give you the answer. Further down in the spreadsheet, you can see net income, same thing. Find the expenses, put them in the right space. Find the revenue, put it in the right slot. Again, it will pre-calculate for you. You'll have it right there. What causes the change? What caused changes? Saturday morning, can't speak well. What caused the change? Put the numbers in, it will tell you. Same thing here, changes in the cash account. Put the numbers in, and it will calculate for you. That is all you need to do with this assignment. Please don't make it harder than it has to be. Tomorrow, I will post a video about Unit 8's assignment. We are going to take what we've done in Unit 2, 4, and 6, compile it together in a smoothly written paper with transitions and correcting everything that I had identified earlier in your feedback. So make sure your spelling is correct, your grammar, your formatting, everything is correct. You're going to write an executive summary on the front end, a summary on the back end. I've given you guys some feedback on that every paper requires a summary, a conclusion, because it's like we're Christmas time. It's like a beautifully wrapped present without a bow. And I'm bad at bows, I will tell you that. But I am really good at writing conclusions. So make sure that you put that bow on your paper. If you need help with your APA formatting for your references, please refer to Owl Purdue if you guys need it. I will even post one of the pages, if I can, out of my doctoral study. So you can see my doctoral study had 250 references. So let's talk about a lot of reference formatting. I will post that for you. But in the meantime, today, and tomorrow, let's get the spreadsheet done. Let's get the discussion questions answered. This week was not as heavy as the other weeks, which was good. Do not worry if you are not an accounting expert at this. This was just an introduction to accounting. Don't get nervous about it. You will have accounting classes that go into detail as you move through the program. This was just an introduction. So don't get hung up in the fact that you don't fully understand it or you don't feel like you're an expert in it or you need more help with it. Just a fundamental understanding of the three types of sheets and how the sheets work together. Remember, balance sheet, point in time. So if I do a balance sheet today, that balance sheet could change tomorrow, but I would not be referring back to the balance sheet today. So an investor could not see the change in my financial status, where the income statement and the statement of cash flows does show over time so that we see previous time, current time, we can see changes over time. If you have any questions, make sure you post them. I will answer them as quickly as I can get to them. I am going out this afternoon to a food truck show, and hopefully the rain will hold up so that we can have fun out there, and I will be getting back with you guys tomorrow. In the meantime, have an excellent Saturday, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.